Okay, San Antonio Clay. This was bed I told you about, the twin size bed I had, the wooden bed. That's one of my, and those were the slacks and stuff that goes on them and stuff like that. But hell, like boom, like that's a. I want to show you this right here, in this like right here. Let's see. So, yeah. But this is the ammo that I just ordered for this month. With this crane right here, the ammo right here. Keep guns and stuff, guns. A couple of here, that one right here. That's one right there. Yeah. I keep a couple more. That came from, you know, a couple more heavy duty tools and stuff like this. That one of them right there. Here. One of my tools right here, wrenches and stuff like that. That's another one of my pistols right there. Close it out one. And that one, so I keep that heat pistol. This one. That one. Keep those in my safe fishing poles like that. And stuff. But this is the ammo right here that I ordered Buffalo safe right here. You can't see it. This is the ammo that I ordered the Bronx, the 444 Remington. And I'm gonna show you what it look like. What it look like when you take it out the box. The Bronx 444. Here 25. The PMC. But yeah, I kind of like split my rounds up and stuff, and I like keep them in different safes and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you what a couple of the shots look like. They fucking real. They magnum bullet hell. They real magnums. You can in the rain, Super Bowl. Hey, that's a Georgia ring. That's Georgia 2020 that's championship ring right here. I got my hand right here. So these what the bullet look like. They pack they 44 Remington Magnum. They like half of them shot of the ones I had, the 444 Marlin ammo. So boom, like there you have it. Like, boom. This is my currency. So you gotta like to see. Please hit the subscribe button. Though. Let me know come out. I'm gonna be taking some shots with these right here. Later on and like later on in the week, and I'm gonna show you like what's going on with that. So hey, see, please hit the subscribe button. Let me know in your comments below, and hopefully I get back to you and lock my safe up and stuff like that. And I guess I'll talk to y'all later. All right.